Hello guys, look, water is subsided everywhere, look guys, and at this time the water is flowing very speedily guys, look, and this is the Lauti river, and this Lauti river is located in Sirang district, and it is popularly known as Lauti river, and every day people are coming to catching fish at this Lauti river. Look guys, what a beautiful blue sky. People are catching fish, lot of fish guys. Look, at this time the weather is very lovely and clear guys. Look, what a beautiful place guys. Look, this is known as Lauti Blue Sky. This time the weather is very lovely and clear, and people are catching fish with the net, and some people are catching with a different style. And guys, if you really want to see how they are catching the fish with the net, then you just come here in the Lauti and you will get to see how they are collecting fish with the traditional technique. Anyway guys, till then, thank you. Look guys, what a speed water. Danger hi bikadia. Hush. Nơi chơi Indian Ocean. Là sao? Hush. Lại bay nè, what a big jump man. Tin dần lên. Look guys, now he will back jumping, and he has a lot of experience guys. Look, what a extraordinary man guys. Hư bóng lại. Con chữ bóng lại. Look guys, he's enjoying lot of at the Lauti breeze. At this time the weather is very lovely and clear guys, and so many Boro people are coming to catching fish guys. Look, what a beautiful place guys.